Isang Bulabinaka, and a very good morning to you all. We are indeed delighted to be here in Rotuma. For some of us, it's the first time, and for most of us, a return visit to your beautiful island. I'm deeply honored to be your chief guest for the Rotuma Day Celebration this year, and for the first time ever, the government roadshow for you, the people of Rotuma. Every Fijian who has ever had the privilege to visit your island always marvel at your natural beauty and your friendly people. Rotuma is a special part of Fiji because of your unique history, your unique culture, and also because of your endless contribution you Rotumans have made to the nation of Fiji as a whole. It is no doubt for such a relatively small, isolated place, you've had an impact on Fiji's development. Ladies and gentlemen, generations of Rotumans have excelled and have continued to excel in all fields of work, wherever they are. Your contribution to nation building throughout the years have been substantial. As a small island nation, as a small island contributing to the bigger picture of Fiji, you are punching well above your own weight. Today is a special occasion, also a joyous occasion, not only for Rotumans, but for every Fijians. We are especially keen to be here today to share in your celebration. And we also urge you to enjoy and take advantage of the different types of services that we have provided for you through our government and our partners present in this government roadshow, the second for the year. Ladies and gentlemen, the agencies and teams present here today at the Ahau government station ground are here specifically to offer services and provide advices in your different fields of needs. The roadshow allows the people of Rotuma to have the same opportunity as anyone living in any other part of Fiji. This year, 2015, marks the 134th year of celebration where Rotumans in Fiji and abroad commemorate this day with traditional dances and Rotuman delicacies. This day also provides the opportunity to renew and also to strengthen the historical ties between Fiji and your island Rotuma. We urge the people of Rotuma to work honestly and diligently in whatever you do and remain committed to serving our beloved nation to the best of your ability. Government for the last couple of years has launched a number of initiatives to improve Rotuma, your people, and your livelihoods. We are delighted to say that government has improved the roads around the island, improved the Oinafa jetty, the repairs and upgrade of the Rotuma airport, and we've started to build a new Rotuma hospital, which was the groundbreaking last year, and also boosted a number of government services such as immigration, customs, biosecurity, and port authority to enable Rotuma become a recognized port of entry into Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, government has also provided a 20-footer freezer to the Rotuma Export Market Company, REMCO, to raise the standard and quality of food produce, and also completed the transfer of 71 cattle to provide better supply of your mulmakau and milk to the island. The upgrading of water supply by drilling more boreholes has been continuing to improve the standard and to ensure consistent supply of fresh water to your homes. Additionally, ladies and gentlemen, Rotuman students now also enjoy the various educational initiatives introduced by government, such as the free tuition fees for year 1 to year 13, the free textbooks, the free bus fare schemes, and recently the free milk for year 1 students to remove the burden and the worry faced by parents and guardians previously. Therefore, we urge you all to take advantage of these opportunities and be part of the government's vision in setting the platform for a knowledgeable, prosperous society. And of course, also mean to us a smarter Rotuma. There are also opportunities available within our educational institutions that provide other forms of training like entrepreneurship studies, which can assist you to set up your own business in the areas of agriculture, the areas of fisheries, and within the economic sector. The government has a broader vision for Rotuma to keep raising the living standard and to create more wealth for you, the people of Rotuma. Measures have been put in place for a sustainable future. Government has and will continue to identify further development opportunities and intend to capitalize on them to assist government for you to grow the economy, creating employment in the island, and also reducing poverty, especially in our rural and maritime areas. The island, with its rich and volcanic soil, has a lot of potential in the agricultural sector. We need to increase production and higher yields. We also need to improve food security and to do everything we can to boost the current export trade with Tuvalu. Furthermore, we also need to get produce destined for the Fiji mainland markets and to other markets quicker. A cornerstone of this plan are the new ships acquired by the government shipping services to service Rotuma and other outer islands of Fiji. You must have seen a number of vessels such as the Singapore and Wunilangi that entered into service last year. It is expected that another bigger ship will join the fleet this year. These new vessels or ships are not only providing a better travel service for passengers, but also have a modern freezer to keep produce in good condition. And they also have the ability to carry far more supplies, making it easier to build better homes and ferry new equipments. Therefore, they are playing a vital role in our overall plan to improve the infrastructure on our maritime islands like Rotuma. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotuma is moving forward. As alluded by our Prime Minister in his address last year, there has never been a better to be a Rotuman. May we also remind everyone present here today of our responsibilities to create a better Fiji for all. It is our duty as citizens of this nation to promote harmony and goodwill in our respective societies and to build a Fiji founded on love founded on tolerance, unity, and also integration. Together we can make Fiji a better place for all, now and into the future. Thank you for the wonderful welcome that you have accorded to us, the delegation from Suva that arrived yesterday. We look forward to the day's events and to meet as many honorary Rotumans as possible and to see more of your beautiful surroundings. It is our fervent wish that the remaining days will allow for fruitful interaction between you, members of the communities, and us, the government officials and partner agencies that are present here today. We also wish to say that in the course of today or the course of tomorrow, we will be visiting the 7 districts where Talanoa sessions, where you will have the opportunity to raise your issues and questions with representatives of government agencies that will be visiting your 7 districts tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, go out and explore what is available today. Visit the stalls, engage with officials who are here to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, with those words, I now have the pleasure in declaring the Rotuma Day Celebrations and the Rotuma Roadshow 2015 open. Faxia, Pinawale, thank you and Danabat.